The demand for blenders has surged recently, driven by health-conscious consumers and smoothie enthusiasts seeking the perfect blend of power, speed, and versatility. Whether you're a casual user or a smoothie fanatic, choosing the right blender hinges on factors like motor strength, blade quality, container size, and ease of cleaning. This guide reviews top models to help.
List number: Vitamix 5200 professional grade blender for smoothies, food grinder, and emulsifier. The Vitamix 5200 is a top-tier blender favored by professional chefs and home users alike. Known for its powerful 2-peak horsepower motor, it effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough greens into velvety smoothies. Its variable speed control allows precise blending, giving you complete command over texture. The large 64-ounce container is perfect for families or batch preparation. The Vitamix 5200's durable stainless steel blades and self-cleaning feature make maintenance simple. Although it comes with a higher price tag, its superior build and consistent performance make it an excellent list. Vitamix E310 Explorian blender, professional grade, 48 ounces container, slate. A slightly more compact alternative, the Vitamix E310 Explorian offers professional-grade blending with a 48-ounce container, ideal for smaller batches. Its powerful motor and stainless steel blades
create smooth, creamy textures from fruits, vegetables, and ice.
The straightforward controls include 10 variable speeds plus a pulse feature for added blending precision. The E310's sleek slate finish fits well in any kitchen, and it retains Vitamix's hallmark durability and reliability. Perfect for those wanting a high-performance blender with a smaller footprint, the E310 List 3 Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. 1400 peak watts, 3 functions for smoothies, frozen drinks. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender packs a punch with a robust 1400-watt motor and total crushing technology designed for smooth ice crushing and blending. It features 3 preset functions specifically tailored for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice crushing, making it incredibly user-friendly. The 72-ounce BPA-free pitcher is spacious enough for large batches, perfect for family or party use. Its dishwasher-safe parts add convenience for busy users. While the Ninja BN701 offers powerful performance and versatility, it comes at a price notably lower than premium. List number: Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. 1100 watts, 3 functions for frozen drinks. The Ninja BL660 balances power and versatility with its 1100-watt motor and a compact design. It combines smoothie blending and food processing, perfect for users who want one appliance for multiple kitchen tasks. The 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for making large quantities, and the 3 preset programs simplify smoothie, ice crushing, and food processing tasks. Its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless. The BL660 is a solid choice for those needing a reliable, multifunctional blender without breaking the bank, especially for frozen drinks and smoothies. List number 5. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Portable blender for smoothies, shakes, food prep, and frozen blending. Designed for single servings and on-the-go lifestyles, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is lightweight and portable without compromising power. Its 700-watt motor and precision-engineered blades blend smoothies, shakes, and frozen ingredients quickly and efficiently. The 16-ounce cup doubles as a travel bottle, perfect for busy mornings or gym visits. Easy to clean and store, this blender suits individuals or couples looking for convenience and performance in a compact design. While not suited for large batches, it excels as the best blender for smoothies when portability is a priority.